And we're rolling. Okay. Now, share. It already said it wasn't going to work in Chat GPT. So the share did not work in Chat GPT. But look at that. It worked in DeepSeek. Okay. You can see that. There are your different shares there. Okay. And we're waiting on the Google AI Studio Lumina Bible to work. Let's see. Oh, there it is right there. Okay, share app. Okay, there it is. So it's working. So all the share is working and everything is working. All right. So, yep, Chronicles. Okay, Book of Chronicles. There we go. I think that last little button down at the bottom, put it over. Because now we covered up here. Okay. Save the reflection. Okay. All right. So, all right. Now, what I'm going to do now is quickly publish them or publish what I can, just so you can see a live link for it and what you have to do to make it the link live. Okay. So, let's see, for this Chat GPT, what I'm going to do is copy this code. Okay. And put this in Blogger. So let me go to, another. I guess I could use the same, but go to Blogger real quick. Okay. Since I already have it up here.
Well, not if I don't give it the right structure. If I just use a chat app and copy paste those into a spreadsheet, this is going to take forever and be inconsistent. So how about we run all of our AI prompts at once across hundreds of products in this catalog? I can
You know what? I'm not going to do that.
World is letting AI.
Okay, let's see. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is let's just go to Blogger. I'm just going to show you an example of this real quick. Okay, I'm going to sign in. Okay, and actually, this is a better idea. Okay, so I'm going to go to a Google account and yeah, let's put a name for this Bible. This is going to be the Chat GPT version. Let's see. Bible Study Companion AI. Okay, so let's call it that. Bible Study Companion AI. Okay. And like I said, what I'm doing, you can just do this quickly. Just, your Blogger account, just set up a Blogger account real quick. Okay. And you might need to follow this step by step as I'm doing it. Because, yep. But then let's paste that name there. Okay. And let's put these all together. All right. And the blog address is available. Okay. Display name. Okay. So once that's done, what you're going to do is go to theme. Okay. Go to theme. You're going to scroll down to the simple theme. Okay. It could be any one of these as long as it's simple. Okay. So let's just choose that one. Then you're going to click apply. Okay. I got it. Okay. Scroll back up to the top. Okay. You're going to click the drop down where it says mobile settings. You're going to click that. and go to desktop. Now, there's a reason for that. The reason is mobile is not going to show on your mobile phone the right way, like desktop will. You know, I figure I'll show you and I'll tell you, not just tell you to do something, but I'm going to tell you why I'm telling you to do it. Okay. So that's how that goes. Okay. Next, click the drop down again. You're going to switch to first generation. You're going to click that and you're going to switch without backup, because with that backup, it's going to revert back to that simple theme. So no backup. We don't want no switching. Okay, like I said, I'm going to tell you, and why I'm telling you. Okay, go to change nav bar. You want this off. Otherwise, your nav bar is going to show at the top of your blogger blog. Okay. Now you're going to go to edit HTML. Okay. And you're going to copy your code that you're going to use, which in this case is right here. So you just copy this code from ChatGPT. Copy this code. Go back to Blogger. Tap in this box here. Control A. Okay. Backspace or delete. Okay. Control V to copy, or right click and copy, however you want to do it. Okay. What you're going to do is save. Okay. And this is how the code looks, whatever. Okay. Go back, hit your back button. Okay. Click view blog. And there you have it. Okay. Start studying. Your name. Okay. Chris, and admin pin optional. You may just enter. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Welcome, Chris, growing scripture today. And there you have it. That's on a Blogger blog. Okay. Put that anywhere. Okay. And look, it's mobile friendly already. Okay. I can tell it is. Okay. That's on a Blogger blog. Now, if you want to do WordPress, put it on your WordPress, or if you want to put on a domain and everything, I'll have to have another tutorial for that. Or you can just search YouTube for a tutorial on how to add a domain to your code, or how to make a simple HTML website. Okay, I'm just telling you, this is just the way I do it. I've tried it the other way. I mean, I've got Hostinger accounts and everything. You just enter the code, but just for real simple, I just use Blogger. Plus, it's free. Okay, it's free. And Blogspot ranks just as good as any other site if you do the SEO the right way. Okay. All right. So there we go. That's the ChatGPT's version. Okay. I mean, all my apps got blogs in them. Okay. Now, this is DeepSeek. I'm going to tell you the same thing with DeepSeek. Okay. Yeah. So let's set up another one. Okay. So to set up a new blog, just go to new blog. Okay. And like I said, Blogger, any Gmail account you can use for Blogger. Let's get that name. Bible study app with let's do that. Copy that. Okay. This one, the first one, this is named Bible Study Companion. Okay. We're going to name this one Bible Study app. That's why I love DeepSeek. Bible Study app with AI chat. It doesn't have to be that long. I'm just doing that just to show you how it works. Matter of fact, Bible Study AI chat app. Bible Study AI chat. How about that? Bible study AI chat. Let's try that. Okay. And next. Okay. And you all probably can tell me what's next in the audience. What am I going to do? Copy and paste. And I'm going to put these together. Okay. Like that. And no one else has that. This blog is available. What am I going to do next? Save. Okay. All right. So you're going to come to this page. You don't have to worry about any of this. Don't touch it. You're going to go straight to theme. Okay. And the reason I'm telling you that, you're not going to do all this as yet. Later on, you can do this. You can go to YouTube videos and watch, how to do all that, put AdSense and so forth in other pages. But right now, no. So what are we going to do next? Go to, say it, simple. Any simple blog will do. You're going to click simple, simply simple. Apply. Some gadgets may be visible. Got it. Okay. You're going to scroll back up. Okay. Customize. You're going to click the drop down. You're going to go to mobile settings. And what are you going to do? On the desktop. Okay. Save yourself a lot of time and don't forget that. Okay. Next, click the drop down again where it says switch to first generation classic theme, switch without backup. Now, sometimes if you forget, you can just go through this whole process again. And like where it says backup, just switch it back. Switch back to a regular theme. But anyway, I don't want to confuse you. Okay. So we did that, right? We're going to do next is change the nav bar. Okay. And I'm gonna leave it transparent dark just to show you. But no, I'm not. I'm not going to even play around. I ain't even play around with it. But on your blogger blog, it'll show up on the top there. You had that bar there. So that's all that is. So we ain't going to even play around with it. Okay. Now, next, we're going to get that code. Get that code. Copy. Okay. Go back to your blogger blog. Edit HTML. And we're going to Control A. Or if you got an Apple, you're going to do, I think it's Command. But anyway, just wipe it out. Okay. Place the code and save it. Okay, update successful. Go back. And you're going to view your blog. And there you have it. Okay. Simple, clean layout, looking good. Okay. All right. Quick share. Okay, next. Okay. So there you go. Your share button. Okay. Okay, quick share. Okay, copy the clipboard. Yeah. Okay, good. Now, search verses. Okay. Your AI chat. Okay, your daily streak. Okay. I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing with this. How do I add something? Let's see. I guess I can't add anything. Oh boy. That may need some investigating. Yeah. Okay. I'd add verses. Yeah, I would have to go back to that. Okay. Let's see. Classic. That's not working. Copy. Versus the share. Yep. So anyway, that's how that goes. Okay. Let's see. Add note. Yeah, that's what it is. It's not an ad feature. It's not an ad feature on the DeepSeek. So I would have to go in here and add it. Yeah, I'll have to add that. Because there's really nothing up in there. Let's see. but it's got to be a way. I don't think it is previous. Add. I want to add some. You know what? I'm gonna put on here. How to add scripture. Add scriptures. Add button. Add text to readers. Okay. Add scripture to readers. Okay. Add feature. Add button. Right. We're gonna try it. Because otherwise, I mean, how can you add more scripture? No add button available to add scriptures. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I need to add something. Search verses. That ain't doing no good. I still need to add. Add. Okay. Wait. Here we go. Generate code. More. Generate share link. Save as image. Generate. Yeah, I do need to add something. Okay. There needs to be an add button. Please fix issue. There needs to be a way to add scriptures. Add scripture. Add scripture or text to save. I'm sorry. To save and share. To add to scripture study. Shoot. I don't even know what to say about this point. Let's put it in there and see what happened. Because there's no way to do it. I don't know what it's going to do. But anyway, yeah. Just another way to show it. That's all. Okay. So now, with that being going on, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead to Google AI Studio. This will be easy. Okay. So we have our app here, right? Let's look at it. Okay. It's looking good and everything. All right. So let's go to publish. And there's some things here. You're going to have to add some API keys and so forth. I'm not going to do that in this video, but I'm just going to show you how to publish it. I have all that set up already. You can go to some YouTube videos and find out how to make API keys and so forth. I may show you that. I mean, I'm not sure, but anyway, publish. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, here are my cloud projects. I already have these in. I hate to be like that, but I'll show you how to do it in another video. But I just want to get these published just to show you. And I may make a video on how to do it. But for now, and see, I've been trying to put this on my viral video, but we're gonna go with legal advice. Okay, that's one of my apps. Okay, so let's do it like that. because it's already got the link. The button is already hot. Okay. All right. So publish. Okay. So we're just doing it the fast way. I already got everything set up, but just let it do its thing. And I may put a tutorial video on how to do it. It's not that hard though. You can search YouTube on how to make your Google AI app live or how to publish your Google AI Google AI Studio app, how to publish it to the cloud, to Google Cloud. Okay, because it's a Google Cloud project. Okay. So yeah, your app is being published. It's taking a long time. But yeah, it'll show you exactly how to set up your keys and everything, so forth. I hope this is going the right way here. Okay, there it is. Okay, so this is the app URL. The app is published. You can either open it or copy it, copy to a clipboard, and show it like that. Okay. Sign in with Google. And see what I do, I just put this inside my Andromo app builder and a web app or a link card. Okay. So go ahead and sign in. Let's continue. Okay. And there you have it. Okay. So this is your Google. I already showed you your here's your Lovable. Here's your Lovable app. Put this inside your Andromo builder. Here's your Google. Okay. And like I said, with this, you can change your name. You can change a lot of this stuff. You know, but just for the sake of just showing you, just leave it like that. You got your Chat GPT version. You got your DeepSeek version, and your Andromo version. Andromo AI. Let me pull that one up. Okay. Okay. And deploy for preview, which we want to do. Now remember, we can't publish it yet, but this is how we build it. And as I said before, we tried to go with Claude or Anthropic. We tried to go with Claude. We tried to use what else? Tried to use Claude. Oh, Bolt. Didn't have enough credits for Bolt. Didn't have enough credits for Claude. But so here we go. Skip. All right. So let's look at this. Okay, this is our Andromo version, which is the reason we started this whole thing was Andromo. So let's go to read. Okay. And like I said, just had to build this out. Genesis. Okay. Search. Okay. Explore word, faith. Search. Okay. Search AI, ask AI. You can do it that way. Is it working? Nope. Okay. Anyway, AI coach. You can change the name of that. You got your usages. Okay. Um, let's see. Let's kind of make this big. Okay, there we go. All right. So, yeah, open reader. Okay, yeah, I just did that already. Okay. AI. Let's see. Ask. Uh, who was Moses? Okay. There we go. There you go. Okay. That's AI running. Okay. Reflection. Okay. Improve my prayer and meditation. Generate. Oh, that's something different. Okay. Oh, I like that. I do like that. And guess what? You can enter. You can add this to these other apps too. Okay. That's called a reflection. Okay. I like that. Okay. Reading plans. Okay. Favorites. Settings. Okay. All right. So there we go. Now, if I'm gonna take screenshots of this um, for Andromo, okay, because they want us to take screenshots of all these apps. So let's see. That didn't work. Okay. All right. But anyway, yeah, English. Okay. So with that being said, I showed you, let's see, how many platforms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Yeah, 5 platforms. Okay. So same app on 5 different platforms. And like I said, we could have did a few more, but you know how it goes. So anyway, with that, Christopher Wilson, the mobile app mogul, has been a pleasure showing you how to make these apps. Okay. And yeah, with that, I'm going to go ahead and sign off, and I'll see you around. Of course, do all that YouTubey stuff, subscribe, like, comment, and so on. And yeah. So thank you for your time. God bless.